So it's been an amazing year for us. We've been expanding from our classic home, which is the broadcast field, as well as sports and entertainment, to really start a national focus on experiential technologies. So experiential technologies, in essence, where we are working, where we start producing solutions for the corporate AV space, for the experiential space, for the immersive space. That's where we have a lot of development happening and a lot of new features for our clients in development. Basically, we're seeing that at the moment we're getting a lot more screen space. So experiences are growing, there's a lot more screen space happening, and the management part of these screens is getting more and more complicated. Things like content management have to be taken into consideration. We're still at a point where storage is finite. We're getting bigger color depths, which makes content larger. So there's a lot of development happening about not only giving the clients the creative freedom to create new solutions, but also make those creative solutions work from day to day in a very classical operation and sustainable. Our background is in media servers, but with Vertex, we are not a media server. We say we have a media server. So Vertex is a fully fledged AV production suite, which has an integrated media server, but also show control and interactivity. So we are a toolkit to create experiences for corporate, for immersive museums, for sports entertainment alike. It bases on hardware and on software, as well as a few accessories. I would say there's a lot of solutions out there which do a lot of things very well. Our big focus is actually about combining things. So we are not an island. We want to communicate. At Ross, we have a large ecosystem of products ranging from switchers to cameras to robots. And we also have other companies which work with us. And Vertex is a bit of the glue that brings all this together. So for example, you could create an experience, let's say in an immersive space in a corporation, which with one button press, you can trigger a switcher to do something, turn on a projector, have that full show control capacity, but at the same time also have the content play out. And that really solves the issue for our clients to have multiple technical departments involved in achieving one result. You can streamline it, you can unify it, and make sure it works reliably. Because every installation is great on day one, but what happens after day 100? It's a lot of knowledge which sometimes need to be transferred. So we aim to really streamline and unify that to make it manageable.